Hello everyone, welcome to the Developers and Coders Club of NIT Agartala. Today we are going to solve the today's contest problem, minimum string length after removing substring. Right, let us start with the given question. I hope all of you read the question properly, and this is the simple standard question, not and very easy problem. And standard question means you simply do within 10 to 15 minutes, right? Now, let us read the question. You are given a string as consisting only of uppercase English letters. You can only some operation to do this string. In one operation, you can remove any occurrence of one of the substring A, B, or C, D. Return the minimum possible length of the resulting string that you can obtain. Simply, what this question is telling is that you have to simply remove A, B, or C, D occurrence from a given string, right? Let us understand with the given test case. The first test case is A, B, F, C, A, C, D, B, right? Uh, and you have to remove the occurrence of A, B, and C, D. What you will do in this question, simply this is initialize a stack with integer numbers, and you just push it every character in the stack. Initial run a single for loop or for while loop, whatever you want. Push it in a simple, and if you found out A, B, and C, D, you can just pop it out, right? Like, just see. First element is your A, and the second element is B. I will not push it in the B. Before pushing it in the stack, I will check. What I will check? I will check the what is the top element of stack. Like, st top. What? Like, if you want to remove, if your element AB, like you are getting B at your character, ith character, right? Then you have to simply check what is your top element. If it is A, for B, I'm just saying only for B. If your ith character is B, then you simply check what is your top element. If it is A, then it will make AB occurrence in the main string, so you can simply pop out. Yeah, you are not pushing it in your B character in the position. You just comparing first with the top element. If it is A, then I will not push it, and also I will do another operation. I will push, sorry, I will pop out the top element of the stack, right? So for just to understand purpose, I am pushing it in the right. So AB, I will remove it. This one I will remove it now. Then I will push second element, third element F. Nothing is happened. C, nothing. Then A, no. C, no. D. When you have push D and you found out the C, before pushing it, always I will always check my condition, right? What is the top element? This is the top element. I will remove it, CD, and I will push B, right? Now just see, these elements are removed. So before pushing B, I will check my top element. Top element is A, so this element will also deleted, the popped out. So now what is your string? You're simply F and C, right? What is your stack size? Stack dot size is equal to 2. Then you see your answer, return stack dot size. Now understand with the another test case. Like, you just simply push it every element and compare with the top element. A, nothing will happen. C, no. B, no. No other, no any occurrence occurred till now. Your B, nothing happened. D, I, we did not find any occurrence, right? Very basic standard equation. Like, let's go to the code part, right? uh, you just initialize an stack uh, and iterate every character of the string. Like say if c is equal to b and stack why I write this, let me tell you for this stk dot size. But before that, you see if c is equal to b means c is the character, and stk dot I will comparing the c element with the top element ca. So I did not push c before. So just see, I first compare with the top element, then I will pop out. Okay, so else if c is equal to d, same condition for cd occurrence, then pop out, otherwise else stk dot push, or in the end I will return the stack dot size. Very simple code. And why I write the stack dot size? If your stack is like in this condition, uh, like see base case condition, like edge case condition, you can see if I push it a means my stack is initially empty, right? So so if I'm pushing a from this to a, so from which element I should means I have, yeah, I told you okay, you should check your element, compare your element with the top element or check element, right? So what will you do if your stack is empty? Then from which element you will prepare? If you write st dot top, this will give undefined behavior. Undefined behavior, right? This will give undefined behavior. So we write st dot size not empty for this purpose. If it is not empty, then we'll do. Otherwise, we simply push it. If your top element is not present, then you simply push it in the inside, whatever the element, right? So I hope all of you understand the question, and very easy question. Thank you everyone.